how to layer via copy and cut in Photopea.com. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that we have. And also make sure to watch our previous tutorials and videos and find our playlists for each app. And let's get started. So first, let's select the part that we wanna make into a layer and select the end, for example, with the quick selection tool from here, and let's select the end. And then let's go to the lasso tool and right click here and click layer via copy. As you can see, the layer is now copied. You can also go to the move tool and choose the layer again and click on Command C, then Command V. Click on allow. And as you can see, the layer is again copied and pasted with the only end. As you can see, this is the copied part. We can have it here. This is how to layer via copy, but how to layer via cut, it's very simple and nearly similar. Let's select again the N and just click on Command or Control X and then click on Command or Control V, and as you can see, it's now pasted after being cut. Very simple and very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.